This right here used to be the front entrance to fucking Rolling Acres Mall. That shit is gone. That's a recycled paper place. That used to be Sears. You can see over there they're working, tearing down what's left of the JCPenney. There's only like a wall. I'm about to drive over there and show you. I've actually never been out here when they're working, so look at that. That's the crater. Holy shit, dude, this is insane. Fucking insane, dude. So that used to be the bottom part, like that's where the food court and shit was, I think. Because the movie theater was back there. That's the back of what used to be Target. It's now the storage place. But that is the last remaining piece of JCPenney hanging out. That was the little doorway where you pull up. That's the loading dock. The doorway part's gone. But my last video when I was here, I mean, all these walls were still standing and now they're gone. That was only 3 months ago, so there you have it. That's the end of Rolling Acres, guys. They jammed this tire in just a hole. It's very Akron of this fucking place. It's keeping it 100% Akron. But that's what's left. I mean, it's just construction, or destruction, I guess, at this point. So for me and my Rolling Acres demo videos, this is where it all started. Was standing right here. I pulled up at like 6 o'clock in the morning. The fountain was still over here. And they let me kind of stick my head in and look around. I flew the drone over a couple times, but I mean, this is it. It's over. There's no more Rolling Acres to speak of. So, y'all missed all the sales, missed all the deals, all the Black Fridays. It's over. This is so crazy. There's nothing here. Want to say a few words?
I love this mall.
You loved this mall. So that's the last Rolling Acres update. We're signing off. Don't ever forget, we parked in G. We parked in G.